Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another beauty hack. Well, it's kind of a beauty hack. I don't really know. So when you're researching beauty hacks online, most of them are just tips. I went off on a rant on this on my Insta story the other day, and it was like, I was trying to look up beauty hacks and all that came up was like, use blush on your cheeks to look more alive. That's not a beauty hack. That's just how you use blush. So anyways, as I was searching beauty hacks, I found this one for eyelashes. As you can see, I don't have anything on my eyelashes right now because we are about to try this eyelash beauty hack. Before we get into it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join the community. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this beauty hack is on applying eyelashes, and instead of applying them on top of your eyelashes, which I feel like is very intuitive and what we all know to be true in life if you wear eyelashes, the beauty hack is to apply them underneath. That seems so wrong. So I saw this on a blog post. I can't even remember the blog post. It was like an article from, I don't know, one of those like Refinery 29 articles or something. And then I looked it up online and saw a whole bunch of videos doing this, like applying the lashes underneath, like on your waterline. I'm struggling with how to understand how to do that. Individual lashes, I could definitely see like how that would go great. I can see individual lashes, but this is like strip lashes. So what we're going to do first is we are going to apply some, mascara, and I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes, which, pro tip, always curl your lashes before you put your mascara on, because you can basically rip out all of your eyelashes. And the mascara that I'm using is the Butter London Double Decker mascara. It is a favorite of mine. I got it in a BoxyCharm a little while ago, and I was sold ever since. Now on to, how do I want to do this? I think what I want to do is I'm going to apply one eyelash, regular type, does that make sense? Like on top of my lashes like I would normally do, and then I'm going to do the other eye like underneath so that we can like compare the two. Does that make sense? So I'm going to quickly apply my left eye normal, regular. I don't want to say normal because what if people like normally apply it underneath? So I'm going to apply it on top of my lashes like I would normally do. And on my lash fan, oh my gosh, please hold. And how I would normally apply a lash on top of my lashes is just take the lash, put the glue on, fan it off for like 30-40 seconds to make it tacky, and then boop, pop it right onto my lash line. I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies, the black Demi Wispies, only because honestly I don't have to trim them. They were the only new package of lashes in my bin, and they're just really lightweight and easy to apply, and so that's why I'm using these today. Theoretically you can use whichever ones you want, and there you have it. The lash would be applied. Now on to apply underneath. And I'm struggling with like knowing how to apply these because some people said to cut them in half, some people said to leave them as whole strips. I think I'm going to cut them in half only because I think that that would be easier to work with. Maybe not, I don't know. So I cut them in half, and I think, should I bring you guys closer? Let me see if I can bring you closer. So don't judge the crepiness of my under eye. But here is what the normal lash looks like on my left eye. Now we're about to apply them underneath on my right eye. And essentially what you're going to do is the exact same thing, but instead of putting glue on like the underside of the lash, you're going to want to really try and concentrate the glue on like the top of the lash, because you're going to be like pushing them up instead of like pushing them down. Apparently you need to wait like until it gets like really, really tacky, like unbelievably tacky. And here we go. Ah! Failing already. One half of the lash is on, but it also feels like it's not sticking all that well. Onto this inner corner part. If this does work, this might be the new way to apply lashes so that I can take close-up pictures of my eyes. I have such a hard time taking close-up pictures of my eyes and them looking nice, because you can always see the lash band and like the glue, and it makes the liner look terrible, and it's just a mess. But if this works, I'm gonna be sold. Alright, did I do it? So I also saw in some of them that like to help really make it like cohesive, to take your lash curler and kind of like curl them together to really make it like, wow, that really made a huge difference. Alright, let me see if doing it to the other side. Wow. Alright, so I have to say, I am like sold on this. Alright, so close up real quick. This is the side that I did the beauty hack with applying them underneath my lash, and then this is the side that I applied them over. What do we think? I can't even, I want to look with you guys. I don't know, I mean, like, they both look good. This one looks a little bit more natural, whereas this one I feel like makes my eyes look a little bigger, you know, because this one is obviously being glued to my like waterline, so it's almost like it's tight lining my eye unintentionally, if that makes sense. So I don't feel like my eye is as big as like doing it the conventional way. What do you guys think? Alright, I'm gonna zoom you out so that we can get a better like full picture. So here they are from afar, side by side, and I'm still feeling kind of the same way, that like the lash being applied over my normal lashes, we're gonna call it the conventional way. My lashes being applied like the conventional way, I feel like makes my eyes look a little bit like brighter and a little bit like more open. Whereas applying them underneath, although it does have like a little bit more of a natural look and feel to it, I feel like it kind of like closes my eye off a little bit, because it's like unintentionally creating like I'm tight lining my eye with the lash band or with the lashes themselves. And maybe it's just because this is like the first go at it. However, what I will say, it feels like just as comfortable. Like I don't feel the lashes on this side. They're not like poking me in the eye. I don't feel like my, eyeballs are sticking to each other. If you're going for like a very natural, like no makeup look, I feel like going underneath might be a little bit better so you don't see the lash band. Or also, if you're not wearing like a black eyeliner, going underneath might help as well because, or if you're not wearing like any eyeliner at all, going underneath could help as well because then you're not like covering up 90% of the color that's on your eye. I will have to say, this beauty hack is approved though. I will mention that cutting them in half was definitely so much easier. So cutting the strip lash in half and or using individual lashes probably would be your best bet, only because then you're not having to fumble around with like a whole strip and them getting like caught on the inner corner or the outer corner or anything. Just really be careful about like overlapping because that kind of like caught me up over here. But what do you guys think? Can you even tell? Like, can you tell the difference? This is interesting. I don't know if I would do it every day because it does take a little bit more time, but it's definitely a different way of putting your lashes on. Yeah, I'm not disappointed. This beauty hack is legit. So that's the video, you guys. Let me know what you think of this beauty hack in the comment section below. I will link all of the products that I use in the description box below. Lashes, glue, curler, scissors, tweezers, so that if you are lacking or need any of those items, that you can check all of that out with the links below. Let me know more beauty hacks. You guys, I am a sucker for a good as seen on TV commercial, a good beauty hack, and just a good suggestion in general. So let me know everything in the comment section below. If you found this video crazy helpful or like really interesting, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. January is now going to be my new beauty hacks month. Beauty hack for January, face chart February, eyes of March, April is dupes. Oh my gosh, we have so many good videos in store. I would hate for you to miss out on any of them. So please be sure to hit subscribe and the little notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys.